Hello student, welcome to our YouTube online channel. Today we are going to start the second lecture of our quadratic equation. Yesterday we have learned what are quadratic equation and how we have to determine whether the given equation are in the form of quadratic equation or not. So now we will understand today the roots of quadratic equation. So we know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is our standard form of quadratic equation where a must not be 0. So this is nothing but the quadratic polynomial. It is nothing but the quadratic polynomial, and the values of quadratic polynomial, that is we have variable x here. If we will calculate the value of x, let x equals to 5. Let x equals to 5. If we had to check whether this 5 is the root of the quadratic equation or not, that means we had to place 5 instead of x, then we had to solve. If we will get the value is equals to 0 of the variable, then we will say this is the root of quadratic equation, or we can say the value of this quadratic polynomial is called as root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so today we are going to understand the roots of quadratic equation. So we have to understand this by example. So example which is given in your textbook. Example. So this is the equation, which one quadratic equation, it is x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0, and there are two values, that means root of the quadratic equation are given minus 6 and 2. So we have to check whether the minus 6 and 2 are the root of the quadratic equation or not. That means we have to put once minus 6 over here and then 2 here, and then we will solve, and if we will get the value is equals to 0, then we will say this is the quadratic equation and these are the root of quadratic equation. Okay, so now we have to solve. So solution. So let x equals to minus 6. X equals to minus 6 is the root of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So we have to put x equals to minus 6 here. X equals to minus 6 over here. So what is the equation? It is x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. What is x? It is minus 6. So minus 6 square, x स्क्वायर है ना हमारे पास, और x की वैल्यू कितनी है? माइनस 6. दैट मीन्स माइनस 6 का स्क्वायर प्लस 5x. सो 5 इंटू वट इज x? इट इज माइनस 6 माइनस 6 equals to 0. So square of minus 6 is किसी भी नंबर जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो, उसका जो स्क्वायर है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके, सो स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी इंटीजर इज पॉजिटिव. सो ये इंटीजर है, माइनस 6 है, दैट मीन्स इसका जो स्क्वायर होगा वो क्या होगा? 36, और ये आएगा पॉजिटिव में. Why? Because the square of minus 6 is nothing but minus 6 into minus 6. So minus into minus is plus. That means we will say positive 36. So we got 36 plus 5 into minus 6. So plus 5 into minus 6 will become minus 5 6 are 30. And minus 6 equals to 0. So 36 minus 30 and minus 6 minus 36 equals to 0. See, minus 36 minus 36 is 0. So we got 0 equals to 0. So we got the value of quadratic equation when x equals to minus 6 is 0. That means this minus 6 is the root of quadratic equation. ओके, वेरी इजी. अगर हमारे -6 जो है x की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पर प्लेस किया और एंड देन सॉल्व किया, अगर सॉल्व करने के बाद इफ़ वी गॉट वैल्यू 0, दैट मीन्स ये जो है -6 इज द रूट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, सो इफ वी विल put x equals to 2, then we will check whether 2 is going to be the root of quadratic equation or not. So let x equals to 2 be the root of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So what is equation? It is x equals to plus x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Since x equals to 2, therefore it will become 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 6 equals to 0. The square of 2 is 4 plus 5 2s are 10 minus 6 equals to 0. If we will solve this, we will get 4 plus 10 minus 6 is 4 equals to 0. So 4 plus 4 is 8 equals to 0. So see, if we have placed x equals to 2, then we got answer 8, and 8 is not equals to 0. Here 8 is not equals to 0. Here 0 was equals to 0, but here x is not equals to 0. That means this x equals to 2 is not the root of quadratic equation. ओके, अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अगर जो सॉल्यूशन है वो सॉल्यूशन है x का, अगर वो 0 के बराबर आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स इट इज गोइंग टू बी द रूट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. इफ इट्स नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, देन इट इज नॉट द root of quadratic equation. Okay, so we will solve few problems which are given in your textbook page number 33. So now we will check one more example whether this given value of x are the root of quadratic equation or not. या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं these values are the solution of the given polynomial or not. But this polynomial is in the form of quadratic equation. That's why we are saying it is the quadratic equation, and these are the root of quadratic equation. But we had to check first whether x equals to 3 by 2 and x equals to minus 2 are the root of quadratic equation or not. So we had to solve now. So solution. First we are checking place x equals to 3 by 2 in given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? It is 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Since x equals to 3 by 2, that means 2 into 3 by 2 square, because we have square of x, so the 3 by 2 will be in square form. Then minus 7 into what is x? 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So now we will solve this first. So 2 into the square of 3 is 9 divided by square of 2 is 4 minus 7 3s are 21 divided by 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Now if we will cancel this, 2 1s is 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what do we get? What we got? 9 by 2 minus 21 by 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Now we have to solve this first. See, they have the both the fraction have the same base. जब सेम बेस होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, इनके न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड और सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, और बेस सेम रहेगा, बेस इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. सो बेस में आ जाएगा 2, देन 9 माइनस 21, 9 माइनस 21 minus 6 equals to 0. So 9 minus 21 is, so we have to subtract 11 minus 9 is 2, और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 1, divide by 2 minus 6 equals to 0. So 2 1s is 2 and 2 6 are 12. So 6 minus 6 equals to 0. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore 0 equals to 0. See, we got the value of polynomial 0 when we place 3 by 2, when we place x equals to 3 by 2. That means if we got 0, so we will say, or we can say 3 by 2 is the root of quadratic equation. So we will say here we got one result, so we will write a result in last. Now place x equals to minus 2 in given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? It is 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Since we have x equals to minus 2, so wherever we will see x, just place minus 2 over there. So 2 into minus 2, we have x square, that means minus 2 will be in square form, minus 7 into what is x, it is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So we have to solve this first. So square of minus 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8, so 8. Minus, see, minus into minus will become plus, 7 2s are 14, plus 6 equals to 0. So 14 plus 6 is 20 and 20 plus 8 is 28. So we got 28 equals to 0. So is 28 is equals to 0? No. Therefore 28 is not equals to 0. If we got the number, that means which is not equals to 0, that means minus 2 is not the root of quadratic equation. So we have to write result here. So what will be result? So x equals to 3 by 2 is the root of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, and x equals to minus 2 is not the root. Root is nothing but solution of the polynomial, is not the root of quadratic equation. So this is the answer. So in the same way you have to solve few examples which are given in your exercise 2.1. okay, so if you want to write, you can write from here only, or you can take a screenshot also. तो अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे एक्टिविटी विच इज गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 33. So here it is given as if x equals to 5, if x equals to 5 is the root of quadratic equation. It is given that x equals to 5 is the root of quadratic equation, and equation is kx square minus 14x minus 5 equals to 0. Then find the value of k. The value of k we had to calculate by completing the following activity. So it is given that x equals to 5, that means 5 is one of the root of the quadratic equation. So here says one of the root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is what? It is 5. So we have to write 5 here. Okay. Then now let x equals to 5 in the equation kx square. So what is the value of x? It is 5. That means we had to write 5 here. Then 14 into x, we have 14 into x, and what is x? X equals to 5. Then we have to write 5 here also, equals to minus 5 equals to 0. So the square of 5 is 25. 14 5s are 70. Minus 5 equals to 0 here. So if we will solve, minus 70 and minus 5 will become minus 80. If we will transfer minus 80 to another side, will become positive 80. So we have to write 80 here. Then in order to calculate the value of k, we have to transfer this 5 to another side. So what we will get? No. Minus 70 minus 5 is 75. Is 75. If we will transfer 75 to another side, will be in positive form. So in order to calculate the value of k, we need to transfer 25 to another side. So we can write k equals to, we have 75 here, so we have to write 75. We are transferring 25, it is in multiple form of k, will go in division form of 75. So here we have to write 25. And we know 25 ones is 25 and 25 threes are 75. So the value of k is 3. That means k, which is in the quadratic equation, its value is k. So we got the answer. That means we have to write the result. So what will be the result? Therefore the value of k is 3. So value of k is 3. So likewise you have to solve few questions which are given in your exercise. So in previous video we have completed question number 1, question number 2. Okay. So now you have to solve question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. They are really very easy. You have to first identify whether the equations are quadratic equation or not. Question number 3 says write the following equation in the standard form, and we have completed this question in our previous video. Now fourth question, determine whether the values of given each of the quadratic equation are root of the equation or not. That means you have to just check we have solved that problem just before that problem. Okay. And question number 5 is like this activity only, very similar to that activity. Then question number 6, one of the root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k, means you have to complete the activity and you have to find the value of k in question number 6. That means you will have to proceed such activity in question number 6 also. So here we have completed our first exercise 2.1. So question number 4, 5 and 6 is the homework for you. Okay. सो अगर आप होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर दें सो इसको फेयर में कीजिए और उसका स्क्रीनशॉट और फिर उसका फ़ोटोज़ लेकर आप ग्रुप पर सेंड कर सकते हैं, सो दैट आई कैन गो थ्रू देम. ओके. सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.